Hi, I'm Sushma Savre with Bentley Technical Support. Are you using MicroStation and AutoCAD integrated versions of the hydraulics and hydrology products and wish you could perform some of the CAD functionalities in the standalone versions as well? Well then, in this short video, I'm going to cover the capabilities of standalone versions to perform the CAD functionality. The HNH products can be integrated with AutoCAD and MicroStation and they can work inside the environment directly. Here, you can use your familiar interface to lay out the model like this. But the standalone version has some powerful tools that can perform most of the common functionalities which you may think can only be done in the integrated mode. In the standalone version, there is a tool called Model Builder which can import most of the file formats like Access, CAD files, database files, shape files, Excel files, etc. If we are focusing on importing the data through the CAD file, then you need to import the CAD file in the DXF format as seen over here. You can import the polylines, polygons and points through the DXF file and build a model out of that. Let's say that I want to import this DXF file to create a model. It has polylines, points in it, points representing to the manholes and pipes representing to the conduits. However, there are different layers for the different pipe diameters. So in such case, when you're having separate layers or levels for multiple diameters, then you can set up the prototypes first in the model for each pipe diameter, like here 450 mm, 600 mm and 1000, and then import only one layer at a time using the model builder. For example, set 450 mm prototype as the current one, like here make current, and import the corresponding layer of polylines through model builder. Again set 600 mm conduit prototype as the current one and import the corresponding layer of pipes or polylines. So each layer of polyline will be imported as pipes of different diameters. Now I'll create a model using this DXF file. Specify the model builder settings. Here you can auto-generate the labels using the key field as a label. Click next and build the model. By following this process, you can import the existing AutoCAD or MicroStation line work to create a model instead of having to trace over it in the AutoCAD or MicroStation integrated mode. This will save you a large amount of time and the manpower. Apart from importing files through the model builder, you can also apply them as the background layers in the standalone version. For that, you need to go to View, Background Layers. Here, click on the New File. These are the file formats which can be imported through these background layers, like the shape files, DXF files, image files saved in these formats like PNG, JPG, JPEG, etc. Suppose I want to apply a new file in the background. I'll go to New File and select the file. Suppose I'm selecting this DXF file. Click on Open. Specify the properties here like the unit, default color, etc. Click OK. Now this DXF file has been imported in the background. I can easily trace over my network on this background or the DXF file like this. In addition to all this, you can also export the models from the standalone version to the formats like DXF, LandXML, DGN, etc. Suppose if I'm exporting my model in the DXF format, save the file on my computer. Here you need to have different layers for different diameters of the pipes. Click OK. This is useful when The final output model file has to be in the common CAD file format. So you can use this exported model in the DXF format and then print it out in AutoCAD or MicroStation. By following this way, you don't need to use the integrated mode to have the model files in the CAD format. Same applies for the profiles. If I open any profile in the StormSewer products, I can export that profile in the DXF format. Save the file again. So here is the profile exported in the DXF format, which is useful to have the sections in the CAD format. I hope you like this video and find it very useful for your projects. Thank you so much.